Hi, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you basic bakery tips that will help your business to grow fast. These are tips that so many ignore and they cry. And so in today's video, I decide to share with you step by step on how you should carry out some of the activities in your bakery that will enable you to succeed. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Number one is consistency in production. Now, this is what I mean. You don't have to change recipe every time. Someone will come and suggest to you that if you use this flavor, your bread will taste like this, or the aroma of your bread will be like this. And then the next day's production, you use that flavor, and then ignore the one you were using. Next 2 days, somebody else will come and tell you that a combination of vanilla and maybe nutmeg will give you a very strong, nice flavor. Try it. And then you just listen to that person, you change flavor. If you are not consistent in your flavor combinations and the taste of your bread or your baked product, you are going to have problems. Customers will not trust your products. Nobody will actually say that bread that tastes so and so, or that bread that has this flavor is the best. There is nothing to count on in your product. So you have to be consistent in terms of quality, in terms of crumbs quality, in terms of thickness, in terms of taste, in terms of aroma. These are basic things you must consider and stick to it. Be consistent, maintain the standard in this, and it will help you. The second tip I'm going to share with you is one of the things that is actually causing losses and leading people to bankruptcy, and this is the size of your pan. Construct concise pans that are good, pans that will make you a profit. No, you don't just go into the market, you see sizes of bread, you don't actually know the measurement, and then you go to those people that construct pans, they construct anyhow, measure anything they like, and then deliver it to your bakery. You start using them, and then you complain that there is no profit. There is profit in bread making business. There is profit in it. There's no doubt about it. It depends on how you manage your business, what type of pans you are using, and then the types of recipe, your recipe combinations. These are the three things that actually determine the profitability of your business. Number three is a warning. Be careful of wrong customers' suggestions. People will always come with one suggestion or the other, one explanation, one excuse. This one will come and tell you that your bread is too brown. I like white bread. The other person will come and tell you that, no, why should you make your bread brown? Brown bread tells you that it's already burnt and I don't like it because it's smoky. This one will come and tell you that, no, you have to make your bread strong. This one will tell you, no, the bread is too soft. You see, when you don't know the standard you should follow and maintain, and you follow every wind of suggestion, you are going to run at loss. You're going to have problem. All you need to do is formulate the recipe, get a standard recipe, let your bread taste good, and then have that golden, beautiful color that is neither white nor brown. That is a type of color that should be, that your bread should have. That is the beauty of it. So every other wrong suggestion will go away. When they wait and you don't abide, there are those that love white bread, or bread that is not completely baked. And the number is few, maybe 1% love that type of bread. Now there are those that actually love burnt bread, maybe 5%. So don't listen to 6% and ignore the other 94%. So it's better you stick to the standard and don't follow these suggestions. Number four is build a good team. This is a very important key in bread production or bakery production or any manufacturing business at all. Build a good team. When you have workers that have the business in their mind, when they sleep, they think of how the business will grow. When you have workers that are committed, they are ready to deliver, they are ready to meet up customers' demand, they are ready to meet up the target of the day. They set goals and achieve them in your business. That is when you will relax. That is when you will have peace. That is when you will see your business growing exponentially. And so you have to build that team. Look for those workers, convince them, sometimes excite them with little incentives. That way they will be more motivated and they will work. Don't maltreat your workers, don't maltreat your team, don't ignore their complaints. Listen to them, pay attention to them, attend to their needs, pay them their salary on time and treat them well. Sell your idea to them, convince them to carry the vision you already have. Let them also be the bearers of this vision and help you scale your business. Of a truth, you cannot do it alone. So you need a very good team of marketers, good team of distributors, good team that are ready to bake 24 hours. When you have this team, you are good to go. Number 5, employ wisely. Employ wisely. Bakery business is not for the weak. It's not for the weak. Bakery business is not for brothers and sisters. You don't employ because you've opened a business and you want your brothers to be employed. And so you bring your relatives into the bakery. Some of them will steal your bread. There are those that will take the business for granted because it's their brother's business or it's their sister's business. There are those that will just come anytime they like and give you flimsy excuses. You may not be able to sack them instantly because you look at it, they are part of it. They are your brothers. They are your sisters. They will ruin your business. They will ruin your bakery. Remove them from your business. If you employ one or two, tell them that when you step into this bakery, I don't know you. I see you as a staff. When we meet at home, then we are brothers and sisters. In this business, let me tell you one thing. If your business do not succeed, it's still that your brother that will mock at you. And so you have to be careful. Employ strong, energetic boys and girls that will do the work. Don't just bring in anyhow people that are not hygiene minded. They don't care whether it's dirty or not. You have to employ qualified, strong men to do the job. It will help you. It will remove stress from you. Number 6, in order to increase profit in your business, learn to diversify. What do I mean by that? Don't stick on jumbo size, sliced bread, and the mini alone. There are different sizes, different shapes, round bread. No, there are different shapes you can actually mold your bread. There are bread that are like, still long. There are different shapes and size, designs. It is a blade that you will use to just cut 3, 4, 5 stripes in your bread. Can change the game, I tell you. So don't just stick on the old way. Diversify. Add some flavors. Add some chocolate, to spice the coloring. Add some, maybe you can also come up with this egg yellow and add a little quantity. It's not all that yellowish in color, but it's not white. Make your bread unique. Which of the loaves is your signature bread? What do you have in your bakery that is not in the other bakery? What are you offering that is unique in your bakery? You have to think. You have to bring up something that is unique in your bakery that others don't have, that others are trying to imitate and they cannot. These are the secrets that make your bakery business outstanding. And I think it's also applicable to other businesses, other production or manufacturing businesses. And so you must come up with that unique concept, with that unique bread, that unique loaf. It may be just a change in flavor. It may be just a change in size and shape. It may be just little stripes. It may be just that you are, egg washing so shape, and it's giving you that beautiful glittering golden color. And that is the game changer. Don't just stick to the conventional way. You will not make it if you stick to that. So for you to make profit, diversify. You do research. Come up with your own loaf, and it will help you. Finally, is one of the warning I've been giving. Be careful of distributors. Be careful of distributors. Be careful of those that think they know every part of Lagos. They know every part of Port Harcourt. In short, they have the map of Nigeria in their head, in their brain. Be careful of those people. They may go and never return. They may go with a large quantity of product and they will not return. Be careful of distributors. They may blackmail you. They are not trustworthy. So if you're using distributors, you have to be careful of them. Don't rely on them. Don't depend on them. If you're using them, no, just use them knowing fully well that your main channel of distribution of your product is not from them. You are distributing. Create your own personal channels of distribution. No, have your own staffs that are going out to sell, to supply. Have your own sources of supplies that you take your product to. Don't depend on those that come and tell you we will buy from you 1,200, and then they will sell 1,300, and the final seller, the final retailer will now give it out for 1,400. And so you see the amount you're losing between they just come as middlemen, and they are collecting 100 naira per loaf. You can see that they are making more profit. They are making more money than you. And so you have to, if you want to increase profit, you have to boycott these middlemen, do your distribution by yourself. Thank you for watching. If I'm helping your bakery, please drop a like. That is one of the most important things you should do for me. Like this video, click the like button. I need at least 1,000 likes for this video. 2,000 likes, 10,000 likes. I need likes. So click the like button. See you in our next video, and the next video is going to be mighty, wonderful, powerful. So subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you.